All right. Well, we got a lady here, and she came and she done all these apartments. She had, we had 6 apartments here, and it's a new client that gave us 8 apartments. And this is the first one that I'm looking at that she done. She knocked them all out. She quit her job and she took over. She wanted to grow her company, so we've been subbing out work to her. And this is the first week. And she took all of the residentials. Yeah, she even got on top of the light. So I'm going through here looking, just checking to see, is it better to hire other business owners to work with you and take less profit, or is it better to kind of work with people that just, you know, want to hire employees? So let me look at this building and see what she got going on. All right, that's good. Refrigerator looks good. See it look something right there, but other than that, it looks good. Freezer, look like she done a good job. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, wipe those out. That's alright. The backsplash. A lot of times people miss this backsplash right here. But it look like she got, for the most part, I might could touch up a little bit better. Yes, sir. That's taken care of. Alright, on top of here. Okay, looking good, lady, looking good. We done this one, we looked at it and we see that it looks really good. So, it's hot in here too, man. I don't think they got the AC on or nothing in here. So, man, let me get on up out of here and get to this next building before I burn up. All right, peace. We're going into another building. Got my bag with me just to check and see what she got going on, man. How does it go? We got check 1, and we got about 5 more to check. Man, let's take a look and see what she done. And so we want to see, and she's an independent business owner. She's a business owner, so she was not trained as I would train one of my employees. I showed her some things and let her go at it. You know, I believe as business owners, we know a lot and we need some coaching, but we got to go out there and get into it, man. We got to get out there and get into it. Yes, sir. I like that. Okay, looking good. All right. Here looks good. So this part looks good. Let me go check this kitchen out. All right, look at that. Okay. Refrigerator looks good. Nice. Still got some little white stuff right there I want to get up. I don't know. I do see something there. A little dust on that she forgot, but that's okay. I'm gonna get to that, and that's what we have inspections for, so we can make sure our client gets the best product. I think I can wipe it off a little bit. Alright, she did leave that cord alone. She missed that. This one looks a little clean, and the other one doesn't. Let me go on up here and check this one. It smells good. First thing first, we have an Ascent. We have Ascent in here. I'm already loving that. So we need to check the door and make sure the door is done. Yes, sir. No dust. Beautiful. Microwave. Beautiful, lady, beautiful. Tuck up top, okay. But see, little people know that even though the refrigerator looks like it's clean, it still needs to be dismantled. I do see some stuff right here in front of the refrigerator. Look good. We're about to go and touch up all of this and go to the other ones. Let's check them out. Here we are. We're walking to another one. Again, I look and see the doors done. Looks like it's wiped, it was too wet. So we need to touch up the door a little bit. So we're in here, turn on these lights. Let me see what we got. First place, I'm coming to the kitchen. Refrigerator, looks pretty good, looks good. She left that up there, but look, I see something in the back. Cobwebs. So we don't pull this one out because it's so close, but we definitely find a way to get that. Straighten this on up, that's clean. Needs to be just touched up and wiped out a little bit. All right. Oven looks pretty good. I would definitely want her to get more detail inside of those areas right there. We do need the back of that. I'm gonna see if that comes off. Tub looks good. Yep, she did. All right, that's good. I can see on some windows she got and some windows she didn't. So let me let this back down. Let me go ahead and knock this on out, go look at the last two, and go ahead and give me something to eat, man. Again, I think she did a great job for the night. I got 2 more, and I'm very hopeful of going in and getting out. All right. Well, we're going over here checking these last 2. Do I need to be touched up? No, that ain't supposed to be left up there. No, not like that. Don't let me get to the end and you mess up. Okay. All right. I see some fingerprints on here. They get wiped off good. Oh. Oh. Well, she got a one big mess up on this one. Whoa. I'll take care of it though. She's still doing good overall. That's one thing she can miss. Make sure we check them corners out here, fellas. Team, cleaners, make sure we check them corners. Let me go on upstairs and see what's in this other one real quick. Let's see. She got this microwave. I don't know what's it on the stove. Let me wipe that up. The refrigerator looks good. Over and all, she did a great job. I can get that stuff out of there. I can get that out. That'll be an extra service charge though. But I can get that out. That'll be extra service charge. You walk with me with the 6 apartments today. She did miss that here. You see hit and miss, you know, on certain things. The consistency. This is W.A.D. here with Ascent Cleaning Solutions, where we aim to get better with each clean, and we want to make sure that our team is working cohesively as well. So if you like the content that I put up, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share if you think there's someone else that they might like to hear. Or, man, just stay tuned, man, because we got some more cleaning knowledge coming on, building the business, and a lot more coming on for you, man. It is peace. I'm out of here.